Hello, I thought I'd do this quick unboxing video of this new Aarke Carbonator 2, which is a sequel to their Carbonator 1, I assume. I didn't have the 1, so I don't know what the differences are. I'll leave a link to the website in the description so you can see the differences. Anything interesting on here? Not really. Not compatible with CO2 cylinders from Australia and New Zealand, which is good to know for us here in the UK. Sparkling water maker, compatible with CO2 cylinders from AGA, SodaStream, Lindy and others. So I think they all use the same ones pretty much. We use the SodaStream ones, so that's good. Assume this is a drip tray. Not bad. Slight flex, no, pretty good quality there. Instruction manuals. Don't need those. Actually, you probably should read that. Don't want to blow up the cylinder. Right. It was nice packaging on the outside. This feels a bit cheap. Let's see what it looks like. So we've got a bottle. Shame it's not glass. It's plastic, but it needs to be. Apparently, if it's glass, it needs to be covered with something that can hold it if it explodes. For example, the SodaStream do one, which is glass, but it sits inside a metal case, which makes it a lot bigger, I think. I actually have it, so we can compare the two. Yeah, we can compare the two. Let's pop these away. So here it is. It does look nice. Certainly looks nicer than the SodaStream, which is, well, this is twice the price, so you'd hope so. But the SodaStream is it's a bit plasticky. We'll have a look at it over here, look, just quickly. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, it just feels very cheap. What's this? A lot more solid. So, drip tray goes here. Oh, that's about it really. I need to grab a canister. So here's the canister, SodaStream 60 litre, so it's good to know if you are coming from a SodaStream, you can just use the existing canister if you have one. To put it in, take the drip tray off, turn it on its side, and you just slide it in until you hit the bottom, and then just start screwing. And you just screw until, don't over screw it, just screw it until it's firm. There you go, and you can put the drip tray back on. It does look pretty good. Let's compare it to the SodaStream. It's actually, I thought it would be a lot smaller, but it's not. It's a very similar size, although it does look a lot nicer and feels a lot nicer to touch. The good thing about the SodaStream, that bottle is glass. We'll just have a quick look at it here. So it's a glass bottle, which a lot of people obviously prefer. They don't want to deal with plastics. That goes in there, close it, and then you pump it. It needs to be in this because something to do with the pressure in the glass. I think if it does explode, this stops it from, you know, killing loads of people. So the Aarke comes with this. Looks like it's got a stainless steel bottom and lid, but yeah, this is plastic. Got the instructions, don't need that. So fill water to here. Firstly, give it a quick rinse. And then fill it to that line. Bit more. Fill it to that line. I'm sure it doesn't have to be exact, but let's do it roughly. And then screw it in. And then just pull that down. When you hear it making that sound, that buzzing noise, that means release it. I don't know what's causing that buzzing noise, but it's the same on the SodaStream. So that's one press, which makes it mildly fizzy. You can do it again for mediumly, again for very. I think you can go up to 5 times. Go over 5 and you probably blow it up because the pressure's too high. But I don't like my water too fizzy, so let's just unscrew it there. Nice. So now you've got yourself some carbonated water without destroying the planet with plastic. Well, maybe just a little bit of plastic. Any questions, let me know.